Welcome back to Deutschland Performance. Today we have a 3 Series BMW in. Now as you can see we have got a lot of parts to go on this car. He's got the big brake kit, the M Sport kit. He's got the full M Sport body kit to go on it as well, which is splitter, side skirts, front splitter, fog intakes, the grills, rear spoiler. We've even got the back plates as well. This is going to be a big job. We've got a lot of work to do, so I think it's time we get cracking on. Right, so that's the disc, calipers and pads all done on the 3 Series now. As you can see here, I have now fitted bigger diameter discs, hence why we've had to change the back plates on the car. He has now got 2-pot rear calipers on it instead of the single pot. If you come around the front, again, bigger diameter disc, and he's got 4-pot calipers on the front instead of single pots. Now the braking power on this is going to be 10 times better on the car. Now that's all done, the brakes are all bled in that as well. I'm now going to start fitting all the M Sport kit. Right, so that's the 320D all done now. That is the full M Sport styling kit that we've done on it. That's the front splitter, the side skirts, the rear spoiler, rear diffuser. It's got the carbon wing mirrors on it, the black grills. We've done the discs, we've done the 4-pot calipers on the front, 2-pot calipers on the rear. This car has had a full transformation on it. It looks completely different as to when it came in.